You must now wear masks in public. That is the mandate from the governor's office today.
Yeah, leaders say it's because people are not taking safety precautions. So here are some examples when face coverings will now be required. Inside any indoor public space, obtaining healthcare services in places like hospitals, pharmacies, or a dental office, waiting for or riding on public transportation, at work, at a job, and working in any space where food is prepared or packaged for sale or distribution to others. And how will this all be enforced? That's the question. CBS 13's Marissa Perlman is live in Elk Grove now, getting answers for us. Marissa.
Well, we know there's been debate about whether there should be a mandatory mask policy from some of our local counties, but now the governor is taking all of this into his own hands. So what's changed? When you're outside and you can keep good social distance, you're good. But anytime you're in public, including the next time you head to the grocery store, it's mask on for now.
I think you need to stay protected. I really do.
Well, I think they have their place.
Since the beginning of this pandemic, there's been mixed reviews about whether you should have to wear a mask.
Yeah, I think they're a little bit unnecessary, especially seeing like the new development, like the CDC saying like the death rate was actually lower.
At times, it's even become a political symbol, and there's been a lot of confusion on whether it really keeps you safe.
A lot of confusion for sure.
Until now, state public health officials had only recommended you wear one. They say if a mask is worn by someone with the virus, it's shown to decrease your chances of spreading it.
It is going to help other people if you protect yourself.
So I just try to use common sense and try to keep my distance from people.
Some have openly rebelled against any mask directive, calling it government overreach.
I don't like any like government overreach like that where it's like not really keeping people safe, in my opinion. Like it's kind of just for show.
Yeah, I'm not in favor of that. That's too much. Yeah, I don't think the government should impose that much restriction on us.
But why now? Governor Newsom said with rising numbers, there are fewer people wearing masks, putting at risk what he calls the progress the state's made fighting the virus. Still, there's no word how the new requirement will be enforced or what happens if you violate this new order.
There's a lot of people not wearing their masks anymore because it opened up, so they're like, it's gone.
Well, we did just hear back from the state when it comes to enforcement about this new policy. They say this is a statewide requirement and flows from the same legal authority as all of the other state orders, meaning down to the county level. We heard back from just Stanislaus County officials today. They tell us they have no plans yet on to enforce this, but we expect to learn more from other counties across our area about this new policy in the coming days.
Yeah, we will wait to see then. Thanks so much, Marissa.